Oh, Eli. Hi. Hey. What's up, guys? What's up? We are looking for a filing cabinet for our facility because all we're using is ugly, old, reused filing cabinets. So we're trying to make our facility look more uniform. I'm lost, Cruz. Oh, here we go. Oh, wait, no. Yeah? Oh, shit. That would be perfect. You have a cabinet right there. It's shelves, and then it's got letter filing on it. Is that the biggest one you have? I want to see how, what do you think of it, Monique? Oh, we need a conference table. What do you think? Yeah.
Put the TV in the middle? And then 2 plants on the top. Is it gonna fit?
You're gonna make it fit. I don't even want to be here. Just kidding. Oh, it smells good. There's a restaurant here. What's happening, Cruz? I'm sweating, bro.
You found it.
I'm sweating. I have a massage license, and then I have some credit cards if that'll work.
He has a temporary driver's license.
Just because I applied for the real ID?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Much appreciated. Real ID. Look at this thing. It's got a mind of its own. $34. Aww. That's $180 right there. I gotta work out more, guys. Spartans! What is your profession? That dude's weird, Mom. Look, I'm running into stuff here, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, fudge, man. Everybody, oh shit! I'm having a minor stroke. Oh my gosh, Alicia.
Bad, mamma jamma.
Oh, broke it. That was a laugh of don't touch my camera.